Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, your dedicated space for understanding one of life's most essential, yet often misunderstood activities, sleep. Have you ever wondered why we spend nearly a third of our lives unconscious? Or why some nights you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the world, while other nights you feel like you haven't slept at all, even after 8 hours? Well, you're not alone. Sleep is this mysterious, fascinating world we enter every night, a hidden passage that our bodies and minds desperately need to navigate. Over the next 10 minutes, we're going to embark on a journey together, pulling back the curtain on the science of sleep. We'll explore what actually happens when you close your eyes, why it's so crucial for your health, and I'll share some powerful, science-backed tips to help you transform your sleep quality, starting tonight. So get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of herbal tea, and let's dive into the incredible world of sleep. First, let's talk about what sleep actually is. It's not just your body shutting down. Think of it more like a highly organized, nightly maintenance crew for your brain and body. This crew works in cycles, specifically sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes and is composed of different stages. When you first drift off, you enter light sleep. This is when your muscles relax and your heart rate slows down. It's easy to be woken up during this stage. Then you transition into deep sleep. This is the real magic hour for your physical body. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. It's the physical restoration phase. Have you ever felt physically exhausted and then woken up feeling completely renewed? You can thank deep sleep for that. After deep sleep, something amazing happens. You enter REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. This is the stage where most of your vivid dreams occur. While your body is almost paralyzed, a clever safety mechanism to stop you from acting out your dreams, your brain is incredibly active, sometimes even more active than when you're awake. REM sleep is crucial for your mind. It's like a mental filing system. Your brain processes emotions, consolidates memories from the day, and problem solves. It decides what information to keep and what to discard. So that big presentation you were stressing about? Your brain might be rehearsing it during REM sleep. A full night's sleep is typically made up of 4 to 6 of these 90-minute cycles. Interrupting these cycles, say with an alarm clock blaring in the middle of deep sleep, is why you can feel so groggy and disoriented in the morning. It's called sleep inertia, and it's your brain's way of saying, hey, I wasn't finished with my work. Now, why is getting enough of this quality sleep so important? The consequences of sleep deprivation go far beyond just feeling tired. In the short term, a lack of sleep impairs your cognitive function. Your attention span shortens, your creativity plummets, and your decision-making becomes, well, questionable. Ever made a silly mistake at work after a bad night's sleep? That's your prefrontal cortex, the logical part of your brain, running on fumes. Your emotional regulation also takes a hit. The amygdala, your brain's emotional center, becomes hyperactive. This is why you might feel more irritable, anxious, or emotionally volatile when you're sleep deprived. Small problems can feel like massive catastrophes. Long term, the effects are even more serious. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to a whole host of health problems. It weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to common colds and infections. It disrupts the hormones that regulate your appetite, ghrelin and leptin. This can lead to increased cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods and contribute to weight gain and obesity. Furthermore, it significantly increases your risk for chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even certain types of cancer. Think about it, sleep is not a luxury. It is a non-negotiable biological necessity, just like breathing, eating, and drinking water. It is the foundation upon which your physical health and mental well-being are built. Ignoring your need for sleep is like trying to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. Eventually, it's going to crumble. So, the big question is, how can we improve our sleep? The good news is that you have a tremendous amount of control over your sleep quality. It starts with your habits and your environment. Let's call this sleep hygiene. First and foremost, consistency. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Yes, even on weekends. This stabilizes your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm, which tells your body when to feel sleepy and when to feel alert. When this rhythm is stable, your body can more efficiently prepare for sleep each night. It's like setting an internal appointment for sleep, and your body learns to show up on time. Next, let's talk about your bedroom environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. This means it needs to be cool, dark, and quiet. Our bodies are programmed to sleep when it's dark. Even small amounts of light from a phone screen, a TV, or a street lamp outside can disrupt the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep. Consider using blackout curtains or a comfortable eye mask. The ideal temperature for sleep is surprisingly cool, around 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A cooler room helps lower your core body temperature, which is a natural trigger for sleep. And of course, minimize noise. If you live in a noisy area, earplugs or a white noise machine can be life changers. They create a consistent, soothing soundscape that masks disruptive noises. Another huge factor is what you do in the hours leading up to bedtime. Create a relaxing, wind-down routine. This signals to your brain that it's time to switch from go mode to sleep mode. For at least an hour before bed, put away the screens. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers is particularly disruptive to melatonin production. Instead, try reading a physical book, listening to calm music, taking a warm bath, or practicing some light stretching or meditation. A warm bath is especially effective because the subsequent drop in your body temperature after you get out mimics the natural temperature drop that initiates sleep. Also, be mindful of what you're consuming. Avoid caffeine and alcohol in the evening. While alcohol might make you feel drowsy initially, it severely disrupts the second half of your night's sleep, especially REM sleep. Finally, let's touch on your mindset. If you're lying in bed stressing about not being able to sleep, you're creating a cycle of anxiety that makes sleep even more elusive. This is called psychophysiological insomnia. If you find yourself wide awake after 20 minutes, get out of bed. Go to another room and do something calm and relaxing in low light, none like reading, until you start to feel sleepy again. This breaks the association between your bed and the anxiety of being awake. Your bed should be for sleep and intimacy only, not for worrying, working, or scrolling through social media. Remember, one bad night's sleep isn't the end of the world. Don't catastrophize it. Your body is resilient and knows how to catch up. The key is to cultivate healthy, long-term habits. So there you have it, a journey through the hidden passage of sleep. We've learned that sleep is an active, vital process for physical repair and mental consolidation. We've seen how a lack of it can impact everything from your mood to your long-term health. And most importantly, we've uncovered practical, actionable steps you can take to reclaim your nights and wake up feeling your best. Start with one or two of these tips. Maybe it's setting a consistent bedtime or creating a no-phone zone in your bedroom an hour before sleep. Small changes can lead to profound results. Sleep is your superpower. It's a free, powerful tool for a healthier, happier, and more productive life. Let's start treating it that way. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of sleep. I hope you found it helpful and feel empowered to improve your own sleep habits. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into health and wellness. Sweet dreams, and see you next time.